Welcome back to another episode of Tech Explored, where we dive into the tools and innovations that are shaping our technological landscapes. Today, we're going to talk about an exciting new project called Makedown, a tool that merges the power of makefiles with the simplicity and readability of Markdown. So, what's the driving force behind Makedown? Well, developers often find themselves juggling multiple scripts while writing documentation, and existing tools just don't hit the mark. Makefiles are robust, but they lack some features that could enhance usability. On the other hand, you have platforms like NPM with their packaged JSON scripts, but who wants to squeeze a script into a one-liner? That feels limiting, right? Now, Makedown steps in to fill that gap. What it does is allow you to define and execute commands directly from Markdown files. Imagine being able to write your scripts and documentation side by side. And you get the best of both worlds with syntax highlighting for readability and the ability to run your scripts across various programming languages, including Bash, Python, and even JavaScript. You just need to specify custom hashbangs. Can you picture an example? Let's say you have a file called myscripts.md. You might define a command to print hello in Bash like this. Markdown hello prints hello using Bash, and the code block underneath would simply be bash echo hello. Then if you want to print world using Python, it's just as straightforward. Markdown #world prints world using Python, with the accompanying Python code showing how to do that. And here's where it gets practical. To run these commands, all you have to do is execute Makedown from your directory. You can even pull up a list of available commands with just a single command line entry. Now, since this is a fresh project that's still in active development, there's an open invitation for collaboration. Developers are encouraged to contribute by opening up issues or pull requests. And I think this community aspect is really vital. It fosters a sense of belonging and collaboration in the tech world. They even have a Discord server where you can quickly bounce ideas and get feedback. So as we navigate through this conversation, what might be the implications of having executable documentation? How do you think Makedown can streamline workflows for developers? I find it fascinating to think about the potential here. By allowing documentation and code to coexist so seamlessly, it's almost like Makedown is challenging the traditional norms of programming. It beckons us to rethink not just how we document processes, but how we engage with our scripts. It could even lead to richer learning resources or tutorials. Before we wrap up, let's ponder this. What if more tools like Makedown emerged? How might they further evolve the development landscape? It could be a game changer for both developers and educators alike. So that's a wrap on today's exploration of Makedown, a nifty tool redefining how we script and document in tech. Keep experimenting, stay curious, and until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of your creativity.